Welcome to Stone Ridge Dairy in Central Illinois, where they've just wrapped up their 2024 corn silage harvest. Today, we'll take you through the impressive numbers behind this year's silage season, which was carried out by the skilled team at Walker Brothers Ag. First, let's cover the basics. Corn silage is a high-energy feed made from the entire corn plant, stalks, leaves, and ears, chopped and fermented. It's a crucial component in dairy cattle diets, providing essential nutrients and energy. This year, Walker Brothers Ag harvested a total of 1,836 acres, or 743 hectares, of corn for silage at Stone Ridge Dairy. The average yield was an impressive 29.5 tons per acre, which translates to about 66 metric tons per hectare. In total, they brought in a staggering 54,100 tons, or 49,078 metric tons of corn silage. The harvest was swift and efficient, starting on August 21st and concluding on August 27th. In just 7 days, the dedicated Walker Brothers Ag team put in 83 hours of hard work to bring in the entire crop. To tackle this massive undertaking, Walker Brothers Ag employed a fleet of powerful machines. At the heart of their harvesting operation were 3 choppers. One Krone Big X 1180, boasting 1,156 horsepower or 850 kilowatts V12 engine, and 2 John Deere 9900 forage harvesters with 956 horsepower or 713 kilowatts V12 engines. Once chopped, the silage needed to be properly packed to ensure proper fermentation. They had 5 tractors working tirelessly on the silage pile, 2 Case IH Steiger 620 tractors, a John Deere 9520, John Deere 9570, and a John Deere 9620. Transporting the silage from field to storage was no small feat. Walker Brothers Ag utilized 13 semi-trucks, each pulling a Meyer Boss forage wagon. In total, it took 1,852 loads to move all the silage from the fields to the storage site. That's an average of 29.2 tons, or 26.5 metric tons per load. The scale of this operation becomes even more apparent when we look at the fuel consumption. Over the course of the harvest, approximately 20,000 gallons of fuel, or about 75,700 liters, were used. This fuel powered not just the harvesters and tractors, but also the trucks that tirelessly shuttle between fields and storage. To put this harvest into perspective, let's break down some averages. They harvested about 262 acres, or 106 hectares per day. Each hour of work yielded about 650 tons, or 590 metric tons of silage. They brought in roughly 7,730 tons, or 7,011 metric tons of silage per day. This efficient harvest ensures that Stone Ridge Dairy's herd will have high-quality feed for the coming year, supporting milk production and overall herd health. Before we wrap up, I'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you to both Stone Ridge Dairy and Walker Brothers Ag for allowing me to fly a drone to capture this incredible harvest. The aerial footage has truly helped bring this massive operation to life for our viewers. From everyone involved in this impressive harvest, thanks for tuning in to learn about the 2024 corn silage harvest at Stone Ridge Dairy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more agricultural insights.